Hey y'all, it's the Traveling Writer, and we are back for our third and final hotel review in Greece. Today we're going to be reviewing Sofitel Hotel at Athens Airport. Okay, so I just want to say this is going to be a pretty short review. The reason being, I did not get a chance to tour the whole property. I was only at this property for about 12 hours. So bear with me. Ironically, out of the 3 places that I stayed in Greece, this is very high on my list. I want to say it's my favorite one, but the location makes it hard for me to say that and be honest. This airport pick was kind of interesting because, as stated in my previous videos, Athens Airport is nowhere near some of the tourist attractions that one might want to visit while in Athens. For perspective, the Acropolis is 40 minutes away. I booked this hotel because my flight was at 6 a.m., so I needed to stay as close as humanly possible to the airport to avoid a 1-hour drive at 4 o'clock in the morning. In our travels, we toured Athens, and then we went to Santorini, and then we got ready to come home to the US, but there's not a direct flight between Santorini and the US, so you have to go Santorini, Athens, and then you can go to the US. So in that time that I was in Athens, I needed to stay somewhere because I couldn't get the flights quite to line up. This is a great pick for just one night. I will say it's a little bit on the pricey side, but in my opinion, it was 100% worth it. Because I was only here for a few hours, I won't be giving the most in-depth hotel review. I'll just have a review of the things that I saw. Okay, so most importantly, let's talk about the location. You can literally see this hotel while standing in the baggage claim area. That's how close it is. The lobby was really, really fancy. As I was checking in, I could not miss this beautiful chandelier that they had hanging from the ceiling. Although I landed late and couldn't necessarily eat at the restaurant, I did try room service. If anybody knows me, I'm not a big room service person. I like to see what the natives are eating, and I'm pretty sure it's not hotel food. But I was thoroughly impressed. This is one of the most affordable menus I've seen for room service. And not only was it affordable, but it was really good. I won't lie, I expected it to be bland. Usually when I get room service, it's a last resort because it's always bland and I never like it. But they surprised me. 5 stars. I definitely recommend. So I didn't get a chance to visit the pool or the fitness center. Like I said, I was in a rush, but both are there. The pool, I believe, is an indoor pool, and the fitness center, I saw some pictures of it and it looks pretty legit. Not the best hotel fitness center I've ever seen, but it'll definitely get the job done. Although I didn't get a chance to tour the entire property, I was sold on what I did see. So I know why you're here today. Let's get into this room. So when you go into the room, same concept, you have to put your key in to get the lights working. You will immediately notice a grand bed. I believe it was either 2 fulls or 2 twin-size beds pushed together. It was a good-looking room, but the star of the show was the bathroom. It had a lavish feel as soon as you walk through the door. The toiletries were quality and not like that cheap stuff that you normally get when you're in hotels. There was a very beautiful tub and walk-in shower, but there was an even more beautiful rainfall shower. I really love this bathroom. I wish I could take it to every hotel. Like I said, I was only here for the night, so I didn't get a chance to see a lot of it, but if you need to stay close to the airport, this is your hotel. For this hotel, I want to give it a 4.5 just because that's how much I love the property. But once you factor in location and the fact that the best place to go nearby is the airport, I'm actually going to give it a 4.0 out of 5, which is still good, but that's solely on the location. The location is great, but it's only great if you have one thing you're trying to do, and that's going to the airport. It's not a place to stay if you're trying to do several things on your trip over several days. Well, we're getting to the end. You know what to do. If you like this hotel review or thought it was helpful, please, please, please remember to like and subscribe. If you didn't like it, then share it and subscribe anyway, and maybe we'll find somebody who likes it a little bit better.